Doctor, I wanted to know about the recent advances lung cancer treatment and future treatments for my friend.
Yes, whenever we have to go for anything that we don't know, we need to really inquire about things. And the recent advances or what has come new is very, very important in deciding those things. So, like any other treatment or anything in our life, there are many recent things that have come in lung cancer treatment as well. And let's see some of the things as we go on. Now, in the past 10 years, surgical treatment of lung cancer has advanced leaps and bounds. In fact, so one of the things that has happened very new to surgery is robotic surgery. Robotic pneumonectomy, robotic lobectomies have become standard of care in lung cancer surgery today, which means many patients will go with very, very small wounds when they go home after surgery. There was a time when we used to keep the surgical patients in the ward for nearly 10 days after surgery, and today most of our patients go home on third day or fourth day. And that is the impact of robotic surgery. There are many other things which have come. In fact, one of the things is a stereotactic radiotherapy which has come, which is a newer therapy when it comes to lung cancer. A very small lung cancer which otherwise would have had to undergo surgery in a very unfit patient can be today treated effectively with radiation. So that's another very big advancement which we have seen in the past few years. There are things like immunotherapy which my colleague Dr. Suresh Babu will also be talking about. We'll hear about it as we go on. Also, very important thing about lung cancer is the screening of it. When we talk about screening, it means diagnosing lung cancer before first symptom starts. It's very important because a cancer that is diagnosed early, that is in an early stage, can be completely cured in many cases. So when such is the scenario, what is that we have in our hand? For many years we struggled, but we have an answer today. Today, a CT scan of lung, what is called as HRCT or high resolution CT scan of lung in a smoker, can diagnose most of the cancers very early. This CT scan has to be done once in a year. And this CT scan can diagnose most of these tiny cancers and many people can be cured. Just imagine a cancer which is nearly 100% fatal can be completely cured and the person can lead a normal life. And that is the importance of screening. There are many other newer advances that have come. I think my colleague Dr. Suresh also will be talking on this video, who will explain to you more things about it.
The recent advances in the lung cancer, I think surgical aspect, Dr. Sandeep has already told you. One of the things in the medical aspects is that now this is the era of precision oncology. The era of precision oncology means previously we used to treat every patient with the same chemotherapy drugs. So what happens is when you give same chemotherapy drugs, the chemotherapy will not distinguish between the normal cells and cancer cells. So with chemotherapy drugs, what happens is that there could be a chance of side effect because they do affect normal cells also. In the era of precision oncology, now we are looking at the next generation sequencing. We are looking into molecular test, DNA based, RNA based test. What happens is that there could be days where if you have 100 cancer patients, the individual tailoring of the patient's treatment can be done. Like for example, some patient may carry out different molecular markers which other patient may not carry out. So now the recent advances where we are moving ahead is that now if you have 100 lung cancer patient, you have to do genetic test or the molecular based tests in those patients. So based on their molecular profile and what markers they are going to express, based on that the treatment are tailored. Like for example, targeted therapy for EGFR, ALK, ROS1 markers, and there is a immunotherapy if they express very high level PD-L1. So it's basically in era of precision oncology, each markers in each individual patient, depending on their cancer expression, treatment is going to be tailored. That is why it is going to be the future of oncology.